So it's that time of the year again that it's December holiday, and you might be getting a bonus or a 13th check. A lot of the cases you pay a lot more pay as you earn than what you normally do. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can structure that just a little bit better so that you don't pay as much tax on your bonus. I'm Andre Botma, and if you're new here, I make tax videos and e-filing tutorials and how you can manage your tax just a little bit better. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. First of all, I want to show an example or two examples of a person that earns 30,000 Rand a month over 12 months and then receives a bonus of 30,000 Rand in December. That person is in the 31% tax bracket, receiving 360,000 per annum. That is over 12 months, 30 times 12. And like I said, puts them at the 31% tax bracket, and their normal pay as you earn per month is about 5,300 Rand. And their net salary, normal net salary would be 24,600 Rand. However, in the bonus month, the normal pay as you earn is about, again, 5,300 Rand, but then the pay as you earn on the bonus is going to be 9,300 Rand. And if you add those two pay as you earn figures together, then you'll see the tax is going to be 14,000 Rand for that December month. And that means the salary plus bonus minus the total pay as you earn that was paid to SARS only nets the person 45,000 Rand out of a possible 60,000. Now, why is that the case? It's because the person is at the 31% tax bracket, and the 30,000 bonus that's being received is being taxed at 31%, but all in that 1 month, all in December. So that means all the pay as you earn on the bonus is being paid in that 1 month, 9,300 Rand. In the second example, we take a person receiving 25,000 Rand a month and also a bonus of 25,000 Rand. And so their salary for the year would be 300,000 Rand, putting them at the 25% tax bracket. The normal pay as you earn on 25,000 Rand a month is about 3,800 or closer to 3,900, and the net salary is 21,000 Rand. However, in the bonus month, they pay the normal pay as you earn of 3,900 Rand plus minus, and then pay as you earn on the bonus of 25,000 Rand of 6,670, putting the total pay as you earn that person paid at 10,550. That means in the bonus month, that person is only receiving 39,000 Rand of the total 50,000 Rand they thought they would have earned, mainly because of the pay as you earn. So in this example, however, the bonus falls mostly in a 26% tax bracket, but then it pushes the person into the 31% tax bracket. And why is that? This is called the bracket creep. So what is the bracket creep? A bracket creep happens when you earn any extra income like rental income. Maybe you've got interest that's over the exemption. You maybe receive REIT income, self-employment income, and that can push you from one tax bracket over to the next one. However, you only pay as you earn on the previous tax bracket. So when you get your bonus, your normal salary might be taxed at 26%. However, if your bonus pushes you into the 31% tax bracket, that means the bonus is going to be taxed at 31% and your normal salary at 26%, which clearly explains why people pay so much tax on their bonus. And so what can we do about it? What is the solution? So the solution is to actually smooth out the pay as you earn throughout the year. So instead of paying all the pay as you earn in the bonus month, it might be December, it might be your birthday month, instead of paying all that pay as you earn then, you pay the extra pay as you earn each month, a little bit each month, and get your bonus almost practically tax-free. And so how that would work is, let's take example 1 again, 30,000 Rand a month times 12, that's 360,000, plus the 30,000 gives us a total salary for the year of 390,000. So then they can calculate the new monthly pay-as-you-earn as if the bonus is already included. That means the pay-as-you-earn is going to be 6,100 every month. You take a smaller net salary of 23,800. You can see in example 1, the net salary was 24,600. However, so you take a smaller net salary, and in your bonus month, you also only pay 6,100 Rand in pay-as-you-earn instead of paying 14,600 Rand. Okay, and that means in the bonus month, your net salary is actually 53,800, which is about 90% of your gross income for that month, compared to the person who decides to take their bonus and pay all the pay-as-you-earn in that month. So really, the strategy here is either you pay less pay-as-you-earn each month, but then you pay the full bracket tax on the bonus, which is going to be 9,300, and that the total tax that you pay throughout the year equals about 73,000 in pay-as-you-earn. However, if you decide to do option 2, where you smooth out the pay-as-you-earn throughout the year, you pay a bit more pay-as-you-earn each month. That is 6,100 in tax times 12 also gives you 73,000 Rand pay-as-you-earn that you've paid, but then at least you get the majority of your income, the majority of your bonus for that month in December. So as you can see, in option 1, you are either going to pay a little bit less pay-as-you-earn each month. However, then you're going to pay in December the full 31% on the 30,000 bonus, giving you a net salary of 45,000, or you decide to smooth out the pay-as-you-earn, pay a bit more pay-as-you-earn throughout the year, and that means in your bonus month you still pay the same pay-as-you-earn. However, your net salary for that bonus month is going to be 53,800 Rand. And so this is a nice strategy that you can use if you like to have that extra cash flow in December. However, if you want better cash flow throughout the year and you want to pay actually less pay-as-you-earn, do note that you are going to pay more pay-as-you-earn in that bonus month. Okay, so that is it. I hope you like this video. Remember to click the thumbs up button as it helps the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.